Hi everyone, welcome back to Engineers Tech Up channel. So guys, in this video I will discuss about Selenium and Playwright. So a lot of confusion are still there. Okay, so someone already learned Selenium and someone is already learning the Selenium, right? So what you have to do, you have to stop to learn or you have to start to learn Playwright, right? If you are working in the current organization, if your client or your manager is approaching to start the automation, so guys, I will discuss into end and you will get the clarity about Selenium and Playwright. Someone posted on LinkedIn Selenium is dead. Okay, and there is no scope of Selenium, right? So guys, yes, in future might be Selenium won't be there. Okay, so but still many requirement is there for Selenium. Okay, so if you have already learned Selenium, you have spent the time, you already learned Selenium Java with rest assured. Okay, or you have developed the framework, right? So it depend upon what is your priority. Okay, your priority is to switch job as soon as possible and you are already skilled with Selenium Java and rest assured, right? You already learn framework from the scratch, you have a very good knowledge, good hands-on practice, but your priority is to switch the company, then definitely you can start to search job with Java, Selenium and rest assured. Still many companies are hiring for Selenium, Java, rest assured. Okay, the people who already, like, you have started to learn the Selenium and you are on the middle. So if you guys completed more than 60%, 70%, please complete 100%. Not 100% means complete your all the syllabus, framework, learn rest assured, and you can start your job. Again, your priority. You don't have a priority. Okay, you have started to learn Selenium, or just you have started. You spend few days. Okay, then I will recommend you can stop. You can stop to learn Selenium and you can start to learn Playwright. Okay, so again, depend upon the priority. Selenium is not dead. If you will go for the job description, 70%, 80%, you will find the Selenium, Java, rest assured skills are still there. Okay, client already has spent a lot of money to develop the automation infrastructure, right? So they cannot directly stop it to work and all. In the future, definitely they will, what they will do in the future, definitely they will upgrade, because the Playwright have a definitely better than Selenium performance wise, or when you will do the setup, right? You should not struggle much like Selenium. Okay, so Playwright have a into in automation framework, right? So you have to not take any third party tools, like we were taking the TestNG and many other tools when you will work with the Selenium. Okay, so this is my opinion. If someone will ask me, okay, what you have to do, then you have to check in which situation are you, what is your priority. Okay, then take the action. Okay, so I will suggest you guys, if someone, your company will ask you or starting your automation, definitely you have to go for the Playwright. Okay, Playwright support multiple language. If you are a Java, JavaScript, Python, so best recommendation is JavaScript with TypeScript. Okay, but as your wish, if you already know Java, Python, definitely you have to not spend much time to explore Playwright. Okay, so this is my opinion. If you have any other opinion, please comment, or if you have any doubt, please comment and definitely I will reply back to you. If you have any doubt, please reach out to me, and if you are new in the channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. So in the next video.